शमीशाननिर्वाणरूपम् विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपम् निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहम् चिदाकाशमाकाशवासं।
देख लो तुमको कहाँ खड़ा।
Swami Vivekananda said, "Fear not, fear not, fear not. Face the brutes. Always say, I do not fear. It is the only way to solve our problems and succeed. It is fear that is the cause of all our woes, and it is fearlessness that brings heaven even in a moment. Therefore, arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached." Today, we, the students of Sri Hari Global School, are going to present a sketch. Realize, fear not, fear not.
Swamiji traveled to many pilgrim centers of India. Swamiji visited Varanasi.
प्रसन्नाननं नीलकण्ठं दयालम् मृगाधीशचर्मा।
He stayed there with an eminent citizen of Kashi, Sri Pramada Das Mitra. It was a bright day in the holy city of Kashi. Swami Vivekananda was walking through the streets after visiting a temple. There occurred a famous incident, which was a life lesson for Swamiji. He was coming out of the temple, and suddenly an unexpected challenge appeared before him.
शूलनिर्मूलनं शूलपाणिं भजेऽहं भवानीपतिं।
A troop of monkeys appeared, fierce and aggressive. They were hungry and territorial. Swamiji stopped in his tracks, unsure of what to do.
What now? These creatures seem angry. Perhaps if I step back, they will leave me alone.
Go back.
They are not stopping. If I keep retreating, they will surely attack. What do? I need to get away from them. Let me walk past quickly. Why am I running? I should not run. I should face them. I will stand my ground and move forward boldly. That is the only way to make them back off. Running away will only invite more trouble. I must face them with courage. Go away! Go away! Go away!
With courage in his heart and determination in his eyes, Swami Vivekananda stood his ground. The monkeys, startled by his confidence, retreated into the shadows.
Only strengthens it. When we face challenges with courage, they lose their power over us. Life will throw its challenges at us, just like those monkeys. But true strength lies in facing them head on.
Swamiji a profound truth. Never run away from your fears, problems, or troubles. Face them boldly, and they will disappear like the shadows in the light. Swamiji proved that the best way to get out of the fear is to face the fear itself. Fear not. And hence, we must learn from Swamiji's experience and decide to face our problems head on. And every time we face our problems and troubles boldly.
This skit demonstrates Swami Vivekananda's enduring message. Courage and self-confidence are the keys to overcoming any challenge in life. If anything frightens in life, we should face it courageously. Running away from the realities is cowardly, and a coward never emerges as a winner. But when we prepare ourselves to face fear, pain, and ignorance, then only we could grow and work confidently. Never run away from your fear or difficulties. The more you flee, the more they pursue you. But if you face them boldly, they vanish like shadows. This story continues to inspire people worldwide to tackle life's challenges head on, reinforcing the belief that courage and self-confidence are the ultimate tools for overcoming fear.